Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide. If you're concerned about your privacy on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process of enabling the Protect Your Posts feature using the X mobile app to keep your content visible, only to approved followers. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the options that appear. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety to open your privacy settings. Then, select Audience and Tagging from the available choices. Finally, you'll see the Protect Your Posts option. Toggle it on. Once this feature is on, only people you approve as followers can see your posts. That's it. You've now made your posts private and protected. This is a great way to control who sees your content. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing for more helpful guides.